in this cover letter, you tell the ACLU that you're enclosing a check for $100,000 and that the donation is being made in accordance with Ms. Heard's pledged gift of $3.5 million to the ACLU Foundation, correct?
Yes.
And you also write that the check represents, just go ahead, that the check represents the first of multiple scheduled installments, correct?
It was my understanding that she
just
was
asking
going
if
to
that's what you
contribute
wrote. I'm just asking if that's
$3,500,000
what
to
you wrote,
children.
sir.
You've asked me a question. I'm trying to respond.
No,
to
I was actually just asking if that's what you wrote.
What a dick.
Fight for
You
him.
asked the question.
I
again,
know,
please?
the lawyer is
right.
killing
This
me
check
here.
represents the
Anything
first
at
of
all.
multiple
My
scheduled
God,
installments
it
to
physically
honor the
hurts
full
me.
amount of Ms. Heard's $3.5 million pledged gift.
It was my understanding she was going to contribute the money, and that's
Okay,
consistent
sir,
with my
I just
response.
asked if that's what you wrote. I think you
Allow
did.
him to answer the
Can you
question.
please pull up Exhibit 1596?
Your Honor, before we go to the next exhibit, can I raise an issue at the,
Okay,
at the
sure.
bar? Thank you.
Hopefully it's the issue of, can you let him answer a question?
This is ridiculous.
I don't understand.
Why are they so fragile about it? I just don't understand the strategy here.
Yeah.
I have an insight. It just hit me. Is
What's
it
that?
possible that they're actually just simply letting Rottenborn show
Bully
his
him?
true colors, and they
Look
want
like-
the jury to see what kind of person he is, and then they're just going to work it all out on redirect?
I mean, could be.
Yeah, I mean, Amber's a dick. Their attorneys are dicks. I mean, it all
Yep.
fits, right?
That's the only way that I can see it possibly being useful.
Yeah.
The problem
that's
is you
not their
want the
plan.
judge to call it out so
Mr.
that the
White,
jury
is
knows, okay,
this,
we're right. He
a
really
letter-
is being a dick here.
Similar to
Yeah.
what we just looked
Yep.
at for the ACLU,
Yeah.
a letter that you wrote that accompanied the check that you sent to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles Foundation.
Yes.
And this letter and whatever payment, this letter is one that you would have prepared in the ordinary course of business, correct?
Yes.
And you would have maintained this letter in the ordinary course of business, correct?
Yes.
Your Honor, I'd move for the admission of Exhibit 1596.
All right, 1596 in evidence. You can publish it to the jury.
And Mr. White, this letter also says at the bottom that it represents, the check that accompanies this letter represents the first of multiple scheduled installments to honor the full amount of Ms. Heard's $3.5 million pledged gift, correct?
When I composed the letter, that was my understanding that she was going to give $3.5
Sir,
million to charity.
you're really not answering my question. My question was simply,
He got it in. He got it in. I
Yes.
like that.
You want
And
to
we all know
speak
that.
your own narrative here, but my question was
It's
simply.
not his own narrative.
Look
this
at his
letter
smirk.
Says that
Look at this
check
guy.
represents the first of multiple scheduled installments to honor the full amount of Ms. Heard's $3.5 million.
I would object to his
correct?
extraneous commentary.
We can both read the letter, and the answer is yes.
Thank you, sir. Now, you hosted a dinner.
I'm just as
with
an
Mr.
excellent reader
Depp,
as you, sir.
That's an
and
accountant
Adam
F you.
Waldman.
Hey, fuck you, bitch! And the clique that you came with!